The melodic love story of Marley and Lila. Once upon a time, in the lively city of Montego Bay, there lived a young man named Marley. Marley was a skilled musician known for his soulful reggae rhythms that echoed through the city streets. Across town, a young woman named Lila was known for her enchanting voice that could soothe even the most troubled hearts. One day, during the vibrant Reggae Sumfest, an annual music festival in Montego Bay, Marley was playing his guitar on the beach. Lila, drawn by the beautiful melody, found herself on the beach, listening to Marley's music. Overwhelmed by the music, she began to sing, her voice blending perfectly with Marley's guitar. The crowd was mesmerized by their impromptu performance. When the song ended, Marley and Lila's eyes met, and in that moment, they felt a connection that neither could explain. From that day forward, they started making music together, their love for each other growing with each song they created. However, their love was not without challenges. Lila's father, a respected elder in the community, did not approve of their relationship, believing that Marley, a humble musician, was not suitable for his daughter. Despite this, Marley and Lila's love for each other only grew stronger. One day, Marley decided to express his love for Lila in the most beautiful way he knew, through music. He composed a song for Lila, pouring all his love and emotions into it. During the next Reggae Sumfest, in front of the entire city, Marley sang his song for Lila. The song was so beautiful and heartfelt that even Lila's father was moved. He realized the depth of Marley's love for his daughter and gave them his blessing. From that day forward, Marley and Lila were inseparable, their love story becoming a beloved tale in Montego Bay, reminding everyone of the power of love and music. And that's the end of the story. Good night, sleep tight, and dream of Marley and Lila's magical love story.